Let's take a look at how a feed pellet production line is configured. At the very front is a grass cutter. The chopped material from the chaff cutter enters the unloading air feed box. The next part is connected to a crusher, a set of small grinders. This is a complete cyclone bag, filter dust collector, airlocks, and fans. A full set of dust removal equipment. After crushing, it is stirred. This is a blender. This is the feeding port. After the materials are mixed, they can be pelletizing. This is a 450 type 45 kilowatt flat die feed pellet mill with an hourly output of 700 kilograms to 1 ton. This is a 1.2 cubic meter cooling unit. The top part is the airlock, the bottom part is the cooling tank, and the bottom is the vibrating screen. The next part consists of a cyclone dust collector and an airlock. Finally, there's an automatic packaging machine. This is the configuration of an entire feed pellet production line. Let's take a look at the pellet output of the pellet mill.